Hey guys, what's up today? Today's another video, and today I am playing PvP with
Team Dolphin.
Yeah, what's up? Now we're gonna team. No, we're not gonna team. Of course we're gonna team. I'm watching you. No, I'm not just gonna sit my whole video here. Come on, please, please.
Why are you taking it down?
Oh no, there's like tons of diamond people teaming.
Oh, why did I hit him? Why did I hit him? why did I shoot him with the bow?
Goldies, let's go, Goldies, let's go. Oh my god, Goldies, let's go. Oh god, I'm dead. Never.
Did you die?
No.
He has. Oh, you wanna go? Oh, okay, I was obviously gonna die. Now this is a very hard game, and I am not actually on my computer right now, so yeah, I usually have better stuff. No, wait there, wait right there. Alright, now here, come on, follow me. Oh, that was a terrible idea. Where have I gone?
Run! Oh no, there's this guy.
Oh my god. No, you're dead. Yeah, we were dead.
Help! I suck.
Oh, why did I go that way? Run! Yeah, of course. Everyone targets us.
Because we're goldies. No.
We are cool.
We're goldfish. Wait, did he wait?
Look in your chest.
No.
You don't want any good loot.
Let's go this way. Go.
Yes, go in it, go in it. Now, guys, we actually. Oh no, sorry. We actually found a secret dungeon off camera. Come on, we
No, someone's here!
Down there.
I'm in it. I'm actually in it.
No one's coming to get you.
No, dude. And now he's trapped down there.
He is.
Don't bully the goldfish, because I'm going to kill him.
You want to bully him?
No.
Oh, that's you.
Titty. Uh-oh.
I got so many hits on that dude.
Me
You
too.
got 3.
I got him to 6 HP.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I
A
spammed.
diamond dude.
Yeah,
He was on 17.
Oh, of course I didn't pick anything.
No, you gotta pick on me.
Stop trying to lie.
I'm not lying. I got him on 6.
He was on 17. I'm not blind.
Look, diamond guy, we can do this the hard way or the
Look,
easy way. The easy way is you
they're
kill me,
teaming.
and the hard way is me just trying to destroy them.
Can you tell they're teaming?
Yeah.
They don't team loot. They're
They-
chasing after each other.
How's this hard
No.
to
No.
This is better than the tree. This is better than the tree.
Dude.
They're right there. What are they doing?
No, actually, look on the floor over there.
I know. I want them to move away.
How many shots have you gotten?
I imagine he didn't see me and he just walked past me.
Whoop.
Oh, that would have been so good. Dude, what did you do?
He just grabbed all that loot that he was going to get.
Oh my god.
There's more there.
Did I die?
What?
I'm alive! James! I'm alive!
What is happening?
I don't need all these potions. Seriously, admit it, I don't need all these potions.
Finally!
And then press this. Hang on, get the rest. There's more.
Okay, I disconnected. I couldn't fit anymore.
Did he? I meant Jim. So I just get rid of these because I don't need them.
Please don't
Use the
die.
potions in one match.
Please don't die when I log on. Please don't die when I log on. Please don't die when I log on.
I don't even know what I'm putting on myself.
Yes.
I could help myself.
You got a whole set.
Yeah, boy. No, you're gonna waste it.
Bro, you just dropped some.
Idiot.
No. Alright, I still have to fix that.
You're just dropping gold.
Look how much potion.
Oh yeah, whoever. Yeah, they're dead.
Let's go, Diddy.
I'm
Let's
getting
go.
rid of iron stuff in here, and I'm just gonna replace it with diamond. Is that okay?
Yeah, I don't like that. Hey, bro.
No, dude, please.
Die.
I'm
Throw
actually
it at
insane.
some people. Throw it at
Guys,
some noobs.
guys, you're lucky, guys. You're really lucky today.
Give it
Should
to
I-
that.
should I-
No,
Thanks.
Check that one.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, that's the same.
Thanks,
I'll
Diddy.
give it.
You're just giving it to me.
Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, we were supposed to be giving it to noobs. Oh,
Yeah, he is a
You're
noob.
close enough. You're close enough.
Excuse me. I'm actually so
I
offended.
said you're close enough. Never mind. You're exactly the same. I'm kidding. I can slay you.
Don't.
Where's this iron guy? Oh.
No, I'm only kidding.
Dude.
I'm only kidding. I'm only
Oh, you
kidding.
wanna go?
Don't kill
No,
him. Don't
Jimmy,
kill him. He
do
wants all his stuff.
Get in the water. Oh, get all that. Get all that. I'll defend. I'll defend. Get it. Get it on. I can easily defend. Yes. Yes.
You both diamond boys.
Let's
You have a
go.
bow. You have a bow. Just replace it with the other one.
Just throw that
Okay,
one
good.
down.
Yes. We have full diamond and now, yeah, this guy's dead. Oh, you killed us before? Yeah. Sure. Easy.
Yeah, sure, mate.
Oh no! Oh, this guy! Oh, 2 diamonds guy versus 1. Oh, you really think you're gonna win? You probably are. Oh my god, I don't get it. How are you getting destroyed so much?
I'm dead.
How did we?
You've got more. You got more. In
Dude,
your chest.
let's just kill
You got more.
golds.
I'm not going to.
I need to find goldies.
Yeah, just go kill some goldies.
Go this way.
That's where all the diamond dudes are, but stupid.
Guys, there's a guy after us. Come on, run. Stuff.
Run.
You got stuff. See, guys, whenever you get good stuff, here's a cheat. Not really a cheat, but it's a good idea. Leave the game and then get back on. It's super good. You got
Imagine these
diamond boots.
Dude, these melons are a better hiding spot than all of both of them.
How do you get all
How
this
clear
stuff?
am I?
100%. He doesn't even see you. How does he not see you?
He sucks.
Dude, I'm not here.
So he's hiding behind a couple watermelons,
Dude, I'm not
and
here.
this dude above him couldn't even see him.
Dude, I'm not here.
He thinks you're so good. How do you get this stuff,
Dude, I'm
James?
not here.
How do you get that stuff? Coal
Dude,
kit.
I don't
You
know
have to
what
purchase
to
it.
do,
It's a lot of
man.
money, bro.
Dude,
How
what
much
are
is
you
it?
hitting? Okay.
A lot.
He killed me
How much
eventually.
is a lot?
$10
$10.
for the immortal kit.
No, for the immortal.
Yeah, for the immortal, which is the best one.
You actually have to
10.
pay real
$10.
real dollars.
Oh, 10 real dollars.
Did you think it was the game dolls?
$5 is coal rank.
Oh my god.
How do you get it?
Oh no! Donate $5. Hang on. Go back into the chest. Click on it.
What?
Click on any of them. Permission to use that. Press on there.
Where? Here?
Yes. Full screen it.
Can't reach.
I'll just reset it.
Nah.
I think it actually means the game dolls, not why.
Slash done it.
Oh, this guy's so good. I better with bow though. No, oh no.
There's no way you can kill one.
Fine stuff.
And then gold boots are better than yours.
Just don't kill me.
It won't let me donate.
You should donate.
But it won't let me.
You should donate.
It won't let you.
I know. I was just being.
Oh my
dumb.
god, who just dropped all these bows?
And then you accidentally donated $100.
Why'd you use all my money?
What? What do you mean?
Why'd you use all my money?
I can get kicked off. But I didn't use it. How do I get kick coal?
You need to donate $5 at this website.
Really? That's
Yeah.
so dumb. How about
That is actually so
No,
dumb.
it's in the game, I think.
110?
Yeah,
I
110.
know.
No, 110 game dollars.
I've got that much. I should be able to get immortal. Hey guys, just a normal day.
Of me being destroyed.
Oh my god, look what you
I
get in
am
Immortal.
Oh yes, please, I'll take all that.
Diddy, look what you get in the Immortal.
I know it's
I
overpowered.
know.
What, so
Right,
I could farm for
impossible to
$110 and then I could get that.
I already have $110.
Who grinds out $110?
Me.
Hang on, press on that.
I didn't grind it. I just randomly had it.
Bro.
Yes,
7.
fire.
Oh
As far as that's where I use it.
You do not bully goldies.
You do.
No, you don't.
No, you don't.
Bro.
Oh, why did I do that? Dude, you're making a mistake! I'm kidding, you're not. You actually not.
I
Dude,
did.
you're making
Regen,
bully.
get those guys away from there. Wait for them dudes to get away from there, and then collect all the loot.
How do
You
you
guys
get
are
eggs?
just taking a slight little jog.
The hell?
Dude, I'm having a jog. Why would you kill me in my jog? Well, I'm coming back to life, whether you like it or not.
Leave the game quick.
I did it.
How?
Yes.
I don't think you died.
What?
Please don't tell me you died.
Ow!
That hurt.
Okay, I'm gonna get to.
I need you to see my screen. Look, I'm just gonna.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna end the video.
Look how cool this is.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you in the next one, and maybe this could become a series. Goodbye.